Hello, guys. Are you among those who believe that women are complicated? Well, whereas there is an increasing debate on the validity of this statement, it's no doubt that it has left many men wondering how to actually make a lady like them. If you're also wondering how to make that dream girl of yours to like or even love you, well, keep watching. I will share 5 simple, scientifically proven ways that will make any lady to literally take a bullet for you. Firstly, try to get a dog if you don't already have one. While pets are largely associated with ladies, multiple research findings have revealed that women are attracted to men who own dogs. According to a 2008 experiment by 2 French social psychologists, women are 30% more likely to share their personal contacts with men owning dogs. Most importantly, men owning dogs are seen to be caring and selfless because of the commitment linked with caring for a dog, such as getting home early to feed it and spending time with it. This will provoke the lady's mind to think of how good of a father you'll be if you're already treating your pet like a king. I should warn you that having a dog that is not well cared for is also a complete turnoff for most ladies. Number 2. If you can't own a dog, try investing in your scent. Ladies have a very strong sense of smell and can easily pick out a good masculine scent. It's not a sin to smell like a working man, but when it's time to freshen up, having that attractive smell gives you an edge over others. Besides attracting women, a good smelling cologne is known to preserve memories. Have you ever associated a particular smell of perfume with someone you know? Maybe even your mother. Well, that's how a good smelling cologne can preserve memories. There are 2 rules to consider when using cologne. First, a little goes a long way. You should not over-exaggerate it. Secondly, think beyond cheap scents. Invest in a fragrance that is powerful and evocative. A 2018 study by Faviable ranked Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme as the sexiest smelling cologne for men according to women. Others include Versace Eros, Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme Ultime, and Paco Rabanne 1 Million Cologne. These will no doubt seduce all those scent-wary women towards you. These will be linked in the description below. Thirdly, have well-maintained facial hair. If you can't or prefer to not grow facial hair, then skip on to point 4. Otherwise, stick around and hear this. Luck is in hand for those who can grow beards, but skill and commitment are another thing to keep them well-groomed, as well as maintained. A 2013 research study conducted in Australia revealed that women are attracted to stubble beards. Women associate this to a man's maturity, aggression, and dominance. Always keep your facial hair well-groomed, and you will get ladies to like you all around you. This leads me to point number 4. Wearing a smile makes you look more attractive irrespective of whether you have a beard or not. Make effective use of the power of a smile. Research has found that a man's smile can make or break it for a woman on whether you'd be the suitable partner or not. On top of that, it makes one look like a winner, an aspect that easily attracts women. A study conducted by Men's Journal revealed that wearing a confident smile makes one look friendly, fun, and approachable. I don't mean that you keep on smiling even when it's not necessary, but wearing a likable and genuine smile might easily land you that lady of your dreams. Lastly, play hard to get. While hard to get is a trait associated with ladies, research shows that women are more attracted to men who are not always available. Men who are hard to get are more likely to be chased in turn. It sounds counterintuitive, I know. Ladies find hard to get men as having a high level of independence and not being clingy, which shows maturity and self-ability. Playing hard to get evokes uncertainty that commands attention, especially if the lady already knows you like her. Once in a while, it's important to get occupied with other things. Take a couple of minutes to respond to her text. And don't always be the first to initiate things. Ladies prefer a man who is not desperate and has his priorities right. It's advisable that you execute this strategy with the utmost care. An extreme hard-to-get strategy will eventually cut off the people who genuinely loved and wanted you. And as always, thank you for watching and make sure to check out our other videos.